What if I told you that the internet you use every single day is slowly becoming fake? Not fake websites, not fake apps, not even fake news, fake people. What if most of the comments you read, the posts you like, the accounts you follow, aren't even controlled by humans anymore? What if the internet quietly died years ago and nobody noticed? Because according to a disturbing conspiracy known as the dead internet theory, AI bots, automated systems, and hidden algorithms have already taken over huge parts of the online world. And honestly, the deeper you look into it, the more terrifying it becomes. Welcome to Unsealed. The dead internet theory first appeared online around 2021. It started on obscure internet forums where users began discussing something strange. People noticed that the internet no longer felt human. Back in the early 2000s, the internet was chaotic, random, alive. People uploaded weird videos just for fun. Forums felt genuine. Conversations were unpredictable. Everything felt real. But slowly, something changed. Suddenly, every platform started feeling the same. The same jokes, the same opinions, the same recycled trends, the same rage bait. And according to the theory, somewhere around 2016 or 2017, the internet reached a turning point. Bots became more active than real users. AI-generated content exploded, algorithms began controlling attention, and social media transformed from a place for humans into a machine designed to manipulate engagement. The theory claims that today, a massive amount of online activity is either fake or artificially amplified, meaning many of the things you interact with online every day might not be real at all. And the creepy thing is, parts of this are actually true. Let's start with bots. Most people imagine bots as obvious spam accounts posting suspicious links. But modern bots are far more advanced. Some can hold conversations. Some generate realistic profile pictures. Some imitate human emotions. And some are so convincing that you would never know you were talking to a machine. Studies have shown that a huge percentage of internet traffic comes from non-human sources, not people, machines. Think about social media. You post an opinion online, and within seconds, hundreds of accounts appear supporting it, attacking it, reposting it. But how many of those accounts are actually real? Researchers have uncovered massive bot networks designed to push political messages, promote products, manipulate trends, and influence public opinion. And bots aren't just on one platform. They exist on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Facebook, even dating apps. Sometimes companies use bots to create fake popularity. Sometimes scammers use them to manipulate emotions. And sometimes governments allegedly use them for propaganda campaigns. But here's the scary part. As artificial intelligence improves, bots are becoming almost impossible to detect. A few years ago, AI-generated content was easy to recognize. The writing sounded robotic. The images looked cursed. The voices felt unnatural. Now, AI can generate realistic videos, music, voices, articles, thumbnails, scripts, and even entire personalities. Right now, there are AI influencers with millions of followers, completely fake people. They were never born. They don't exist. But they post selfies, brand deals, lifestyle content, and real humans interact with them every single day. Some people don't even realize they're fake. Then there are fully automated YouTube channels uploading thousands of videos every month. No real creator, no human face, just AI-written scripts, AI-generated voices, and automated editing systems. And honestly, most viewers can't tell the difference anymore. Even music is changing. AI can now clone celebrity voices, generate emotional songs, and create performances without a real artist involved. The internet is slowly filling with content created not by human creativity, but by algorithms designed to maximize attention. And if AI can create content infinitely faster than humans, what happens to real creators? What happens when machines become better at acting human than humans themselves. Now let's talk about algorithms. Most people think they choose what they watch online, but in reality, algorithms decide almost everything you see, every video recommendation, every post on your feed, every trending topic. The algorithm studies you constantly, what makes you angry, what keeps you scrolling, what scares you, what excites you, and then it feeds you more of it. Over time, this creates something dangerous, a fake version of reality. If an algorithm repeatedly shows one opinion, people begin believing it's popular. If it pushes fear, people become anxious. If it rewards outrage, society becomes more divided. And because bots amplify these trends, the internet can manipulate emotions at a Think about how often outrage spreads online overnight. One tweet, one clip, one rumor. Suddenly, millions of people are arguing. But sometimes those viral moments are artificially boosted, meaning the internet may not simply reflect human behavior anymore, it may actively control it. And that's where the dead internet theory becomes terrifying. Because if algorithms shape reality, and bots shape algorithms, then who's really controlling the conversation? Even if the theory sounds extreme. Many people agree on one thing: the internet feels different now. Older users often describe the early internet as more authentic. People shared things because they genuinely wanted to, not because an algorithm rewarded them. Videos felt raw, communities felt alive, creativity felt personal. Now everything feels optimized, every thumbnail engineered for clicks, every caption designed for engagement, every post trying to go viral. Even human behavior is changing to satisfy algorithms. People fake emotions for views, fake lifestyles for followers, fake drama for attention. And when everyone starts acting artificial online, the line between humans and bots begins to disappear, because eventually, humans start behaving like algorithms too, posting what performs best, saying what gets attention, repeating trends endlessly. The internet no longer rewards authenticity, it rewards engagement. And those are not the same thing. Now imagine the future. AI becomes smarter every year. Soon, bots may perfectly imitate humans online. They'll create videos, build friendships, argue politically, influence culture. And you may never know they're fake. Imagine scrolling through social media where half the users are AI. Imagine entire online communities populated mostly by machines talking to machines, while humans silently consume the content. At some point, the internet could become an artificial world generating endless fake interaction, not because of some evil mastermind, but because fake engagement is profitable. AI never sleeps, never gets tired, never stops producing content. And for companies, attention means money. That's why this theory scares so many people, because it doesn't require a secret conspiracy to become real. It could happen naturally, through technology, algorithms, and human greed. So, is the dead internet theory actually true? Probably not in the extreme sense. There's no proof that the entire internet is fake. Real humans still exist online. Real creators still matter. Real conversations still happen. But the core idea behind the theory is becoming harder to ignore. Bots are everywhere. AI-generated content is exploding. Algorithms manipulate visibility, and fake engagement shapes public opinion every single day. The internet may not be fully dead, but it's definitely transforming into something humanity has never seen before. And maybe that's the real warning behind the theory. Not that machines already replaced humans, but that we may not notice when they eventually do. So next time you scroll through comments, watch a viral video, or argue with someone online, ask yourself one question. Was there ever a real person on the other side? Or was it always just the machine? And maybe the creepiest part of all is that the internet doesn't need to destroy humanity physically. It only needs to replace human connection. Because once people can no longer tell what's real online, trust disappears. Reality becomes programmable. And whoever controls the algorithms controls the world. This is Unsealed. Subscribe for more mysteries, conspiracies, and hidden truths before the internet seals them forever.